Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about the beginning Burmese lesson. My name is Swan Aunt, and I'm the tutors for the Burmese language. So today we're going to learn about different tones in Burmese. So what is tone language or tonal language? Like different tones, like in music, tones will change the meanings of the words. No, so even if the pronunciations of the words is the same or otherwise, most of the European language, like English, of course, are not a tone language at all. However, in East Asia language, these languages like Chinese, Vietnamese, or Korean dialect are the tone languages. So today, what we're going to emphasize, we're going to emphasize on tonal language, placing different emphases on vowel changes the meaning. Some Burmese words may sound identical to untrained ears, but means different things because there's tonal differences. But don't worry, you will learn about these tones in a later stage. So these are the examples of tones in Burmese, and each and individual tones expressed in English words. So you can see here, these are some phrases. So we say so good. In English, we say so good. In Burmese, we can say kaon lai ta. It's yummy or very delicious. We can say in Burmese, salu kaon lai ta. Salu kaon lai ta. Also, the words very lovely. Let's say this child is very lovely. We can say that kalega chisaya kaon lai ta. Kalega chisaya kaon lai ta. So cute. We can say chisaya le. Chisaya le. Or any discounts. For example, when we go to the marketplace, any discounts, we can ask Shoba Om. Shoba Om. Let's say we go to the restaurant, we have lunch or dinner, and you know, feeling full, then you can say I'm full in English. In Burmese, how we gonna say? We can say wa pi, wa pi. Or either somebody asks you, is it enough for you? It is enough. Then we can say in Burmese, do pi, do pi. So how about we say that's all for today? That's all. In Burmese, we can say da ba be, da ba be. So these are the some phrases in Burmese that you can learn and speak in both public and private. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.